Ever since the One UI 8.5 update, many Galaxy users have noticed their battery draining much faster than before. Samsung has identified one specific app that was causing excessive battery drain on many devices. So before changing any settings, let's fix the actual culprit first. Here's how to check if your phone has the fix. Open the Galaxy Store. Search for Samsung Keyboard. If you see an update button, install the latest version immediately. This update includes Samsung's battery drain fix and could significantly improve battery life if your device is affected. If your keyboard hasn't been updated recently, it's worth checking the Galaxy Store before trying any other battery-saving tips. Instead of waiting for the next software update, Samsung released a fix directly through the Galaxy Store. That means many users may still be running the older version without even realizing it. Because the fix was delivered through the Galaxy Store instead of a full One UI update, many Galaxy users never received it automatically. Updating Samsung Keyboard only takes a few seconds, but it could resolve one of the biggest causes of battery drain introduced after the One UI 8.5 update. After a large update, many background apps continue running unnecessary processes even when you're not actively using them. To access this feature, open Settings, go to About Phone, then Software Information, and tap Build Number several times until developer options are unlocked. Once enabled, open Developer Options and scroll down until you find Suspend Execution for Cached Apps. When this feature is turned on, apps that are sitting idle in the background are prevented from using processing power unnecessarily. This reduces background activity and can improve standby battery life, especially when your phone is left unused for long periods. After enabling it, restart your device to ensure the change takes effect properly. Another important step is checking for Google System Component updates. Open Settings, head to Security and Privacy, select Updates, and check for a Google Play System update. If an update is available, install it immediately. After that, go back to Settings and open Google Services. Tap All Services and scroll down to System Services. Here you'll find various Google components that may require separate updates. Sometimes these don't update automatically, and outdated services can cause excessive background activity, which may negatively affect battery efficiency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. I cover all the latest Samsung updates, hidden features, leaks, and tips to help you get the most out of your Galaxy device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.